Hi guys, so it has been a little while. Yeah, got back from Vegas and it was a lot of fun. I know I have requests from people to see the dress I wore or, a little bit of the Marine Corps ball. I haven't done any of my Vegas footage really, so we will do that. But today I have an auto ship that came in while I was gone. And then just a couple things that I picked up in Vegas. So, I don't know if this Crafters Companion thing is available on HSN yet, but if it is, I'll link it. Those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase them. So those links. And the rest of the stuff is just fun stuff, ABC store stuff, of course. And what was I going to say? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, the holiday border stickers. So I had shown these in the last video, and they were available on HSN. Hopefully they're still, if you like these, because they were in auto ship, those are available. And if it's so, I'll link them again in the description box or possibly in the video here. The other thing on that was the holiday easel, like the Simply Holiday easel stuff. The Astrid scrapbooking, the holiday Simply scrapbooking kits are available. So if those are something you're interested in, I did show them before. I'll link those too. But let's get right to it because I have been very busy. Thank you for watching the videos, guys. I've been putting out shorts because I accepted a review offer of a composter because, to be honest, every time I do my juicing, I have so much stuff left over, or the things that I cut up, because you have to cut away like peels and stuff, and I put them in my outside composter, but that does take weeks to months to compost down. So when these people approached me, I was like, you know what, that makes a lot of sense for what I'm doing right now, and I would love to review that. So, so far so good. I love it. I love the machine. It's so cool. It's really fun. So hopefully you're seeing those videos. I will have a full length video. It's just, it takes a while instead of just being able to do a quick shorts video, So, and I'm doing a couple of functions that it has, and one of the functions is express. The other one takes 24 hours or whatever. So I wanted to show you a couple of the functions, and it has like 5 on there. So that video is not going to be ready quite yet. And then I'll continue working with my embroidery machines and all that good stuff. The one I got for review, but also the Singer one, because I know you guys are curious about that. Like I said, I pretty much made all the videos I was going to make with that, like the basic things that you can do with an embroidery machine, but I will continue featuring it, of course. I have lots of fun ideas. So this is just the auto ship with Crafters Companion for the confetti dies. So it has a cool die that does like this, and this one does stars, and I'm like, didn't we do stars already? It might have been a different look. That's interesting. Anyway, over the moon, and the word, it has the word moon, and then shoot for the, or like you have, love you to thee, and you can use those together. And this one is more of a, this one's called Just For You. This one's called Shoot Over the Moon. Like a little starburst or sunburst or something with the word, the die you, and then just for thank and love. And of course you mix and match those. Very cool. I am getting hot already. Oh my gosh. It's so weird out here right now. It was cold. It's hot. It's cold. I'm also having weird temperature regulations over here, guys. So there you go. Oh, I will say I do have some pictures from the Marine Corps ball that we took. Should have shown those right at the top. So, okay, so I guess that's a picture of the dress there. My husband and I. The pink dress. And then my brother and sister-in-law, we all went together. So there's all of us, and that's my brother. And yes, we look alike. My sister-in-law, Claudia, my brother, Marco. So there you go. A lot of fun. Right before I left, we had breakfast at this one place. I don't want to say the name of it, but you'll see the video only because, if kids are around. Anyway, it's a funny name. An egg place in Cosmopolitan Hotel and Casino, I guess. That is really good for breakfast. But right next to it is the Milk Bar, which I've always heard about the Milk Bar, with, I think it's Momofuku restaurant, Milk Bar. Like, I don't know what. They're associated. They have funny names. But I wanted to pick up some of the cookies there. So I bought the 10, and then they had a deal for like 6 cookies, or no, 3 cookies. I don't even know. I bought 2 of their deal, and I got the 10 for the kids. And Dorian already had one, and I haven't shown it to the kids because I wanted to show it to you guys. So Dorian had noticed it, and I was like, okay. So 2 compost cookies, which is just like a bunch of stuff. It's like one of their more famous cookies, and it just has like everything in it. And then I got these that I always thought was the compost cookie, but these are different. This one's cornflake chocolate chip marshmallow cookie, which is kind of interesting. So I grabbed 2 of those just because I figured they'd be yummy. They are so soft. These are not the kind of thing that even if it's, a little bit older, that it's going to, like, how they get like dry and crumbly cookies do? They are like ridiculously like moist, like delicious. Like, especially this one. Look at, you can see it there. This was the triple peanut butter cookie, and Doran wanted that, so that's why there's only one of those. That's very cute. And so anyway, just some stuff I grabbed for the kids. And then the ABC store, well, not quite the ABC store yet. At Starbucks, I did grab one of these for myself and one of my sister-in-law. The gold cup keychain, because the gold cup is like the biggest cup. And the little lid comes off, which I didn't know. And it has like keychain, it has a little fake straw, which is really cute. And so I grabbed that at Starbucks. Oh, these are just Marine Corps ball, like favors that they had at the table, right, for everybody, of course. So it has a little funnel for your little flask here. So there we go. Okay, ABC store. Just grab some goodies and treats, and I actually grabbed some ready-to-go food there too, just in case in the morning if I didn't want to go out and grab something, I would have something there. So, you know, if you go there to the ABC stores, they do have spam musubi, but they also have like fried rices and salads and sandwiches and wraps, and they're all like a decent price. It's okay, and they're good, so I always recommend them. So anyway, I did grab some Island Princess Macadamia Popcorn Crunch. I grabbed some of the dried mangoes. It's this brand. You've probably seen them somewhere. If you see this wrapping, I can't remember the brand name. I might just some letters, but anyway, I grabbed this smaller one. It's like smaller packs. FPD Food International. Hopefully that helps if you're looking for it. Good stuff. So I grabbed those with the smaller sizes. I grabbed a pack of the Lilikoi Haichu that you supposedly only can find in Hawaii, but of course they have them at this ABC store in Vegas, so I grabbed that. The kids really like those, so passion fruit Lilikoi. I did grab more of these little princess Piaka pineapple shortbread cookie with real fruit filling. I don't know why in my mind I always call it princess cookies, but these are really good. And so I grabbed a pack of those. There's 6 in there individually wrapped. I've shown to you guys what that looks like, so there's that. Oh, that's right. I grabbed this from Miranda. She actually has her other little souvenir. It was just like a little plastic shoe that has like water in it, but it's like a high heel, and it has like coins and like dice in it and stuff, and I thought it was really cute, so just grabbed her that. But I grabbed her these too. So scented lip glosses with the little flowers in there. They're so cute. They are fake flowers. Let's see, what else? Oh, this was just cute. A premium milk chocolate tin, and I didn't realize I put it at the bottom, so it's kind of getting scratched up. But it's a big, huge circle of chocolate. It's not a bunch of little ones. It's one large one. Very cute. I grabbed these for my son and his girlfriend last time, and I grabbed them again because they're just very cute with the little, with the little, I was going to say coins, but they're chips, right? Or however. And then the little cards that are chocolate. They're all chocolate. And then it actually has dice, or die in there, or dice. I always forget. One is a die set, right? Anyway, in there. And then there's little candies at the bottom, which is weird. I guess just to keep it nice and where it needs to be. So there's like some hard candy in there, which is random. What else? Oh, I did pick up some Hawaiian Host Island Max. I love these guys, and they're similar pricing to if you got them in Hawaii. So I got the 3-pack for like 20 bucks or whatever they're offering it for. And since I spent a certain amount right then and there, they gave me my free mug, which is funny because usually you collect your points and you come back. She's like, oh, here, you can have a free mug and a bag. I was like, oh, okay, cool. So she gave me, didn't get to choose it. She just gave this to me, and I was like, oh, that's cute. I would have chosen that one anyway, probably. And then the bag is also just like basically the same theme. It looks exactly the same. I know it's hard to see, but it's exactly the same. All right, so hopefully you can kind of see that. So that was fun. Oh, one other thing, and that's why it got me to those pricings, because I did pick up, like I said, some food items and other things that obviously aren't here anymore. This guy, I was like, I need another, I was like, I need another tumbler like I need a hole in the head, but it's very cute, and they had like 4 different styles, and I loved every single one. It was really hard to pick one, but I thought Miranda might like this one the best, even though the other one's like pink and the little friends are here, but this is really, really adorable, and so I grabbed that. And these guys do keep your water cold for a long time too, so I like double-walled. Don't give me those plastic edge kind of things, like it has to be this kind of thing, plastic walls or whatever. I like these, and they work really well, so can't say no to that. Alright guys, I am trying to keep it together here and getting, videos going. I do have Spellbinders ones ready to go, obviously for, the clubs, and I released those while I was gone, or at least one of them, the unboxing. But the new ones should start later today, if not tomorrow. They usually release them on the 6th, but usually in the evening of the 5th. And also, do not forget to vote. Please go vote, everybody. Please. Alright, I will, oh, real quick, as I explain things, I didn't even show you the cool side of the flask. So anyway, there you go. We went with the Salt Amphibian School, which is super cool, you guys. They come out of the water and they're Salt Amphibian vehicles. You see them here at Camp Pendleton or further down. Pretty cool. Anyway, All right, guys, have a good one. Bye now.